This magic wand isn't just a property, it also has electric power. Well, it's basically a taser gun or stun gun. Yeah, I put stun gun module on this one, so yeah, welcome to Make It Cheap. Okay, to make this one, you need to prepare A4 paper or any paper that you have, battery, wire, and a stun gun module. You can get this module easily on every online shop. First, we cut two wires about 20 inches, and now we roll the paper from the corner and put the wire inside of the paper. Cut the top of the paper a bit and add hot glue to make the stick stronger. Now we need to cut the bottom of the stick, so the length of the stick is about 11 inches. Cut a paper about 4 inches width and fold it 3 times. We can cut it a little bit so it fits the stick. Now cut the paper like this, so when we glue it on the stick it looks pointed. We need another paper with 4.2 inches width for the handle, and the total length of the Harry Potter's wand is about 13 to 14 inches. Before we glue the handle on the stick, we need to make the button to activate the module. I put a small piece of aluminum on the wire and tape it on the stick. Now we can roll the paper on the stick. Now we need to make a hole for the second wire, so we can put the second wire inside of the handle. I also put another piece of aluminum on the wire. You will not get electrocuted when you touch this button because it only conducts electricity from the battery, which is only 3.4 volt. Now we need to make the handle looks like a pillar. I don't know how to explain it, but you will see. We need 3 pieces of paper with 2 cm width each and cut it from big to small. And just roll it on the handle, so it's shaped like this. I also did the same thing on the bottom of the handle. Okay, now glue the bottom of the wand with hot glue so the wire stays still. And I just make random pattern with hot glue to make a wood texture on the handle, and after we paint it, it looks so great, like a real wood. Before we paint it, I need to cover the stick with wood glue so it won't melt it when we paint it. I add a masking tape on this part before applying the primary paint. I use black paint on the handle so the handle will have darker color than the stick. And I use gray paint on this part. Be careful when painting this part because we didn't want to cover the aluminum with paint. The paint that I use is wall paint, and you can use any paint that you have. After the primary color is dry, I applied a wood stain to make the color a little bit brown. And for the rest of the wand, I just color it with the wood stain. I don't need any primary color because I want the color brighter. Now to remove the color gap around the button, I just use black marker on it, so it's not noticeable. Okay, the coloring is done, now we can connect all the wires. Don't worry if you are not familiar with electricity stuff like this. I will explain it in a simple way. Okay, this is the stun gun module and this is the battery. This is the module output and this is the module input. When we connect the power from the battery to the module input, we will activate the stun gun. To connect and disconnect it, we need a button. You can put the button on the negative or positive terminal of the battery. Well, this is pretty much how the wiring works. I hope you can understand my explanation. Don't forget to secure the wire with tape. Now I need to make a bracelet with cardboard to place the module and the battery. Cut the cardboard like this so we can make a lock. I need to cut both wire on the point of the wand to make it look tidier. Okay, it works. Now you can be a wizard. With this one, of course. But please use it wisely because you could hurt people with this thing. Okay, as a bonus, I also gonna show you how to make the Elder Wand because I guess this is the most popular one in Wizarding World. The making process is just the same, just roll the paper and I add another paper because the length of the Elder Wand is about 15 inches. Now to make this round shape, I cut a paper with 2 cm width and make a long triangle. Roll the triangle on the wand from the point of the stick, so the result will be like this. We need to make 6 for the whole wand with different size, so you need to make different size of long triangle. I have the template in the description that you can use, so it's easier for you to make it. For the bottom of the wand, we make the same shape as we make on the first wand. We still can move it, so we can adjust the position on the proper spot. Now we can glue it. To make wood texture, I apply wood glue on the whole wand surface. Now we can tick it with small stick to make hollows on the wand like this. When the wood glue is dry, just color the wand with wood stain. We don't need any primary color. And to make the hollows more noticeable, I add black marker on it. The last step is to add a tape on the side of the wand. And draw this symbol on it. No need to make it precisely. Okay, that is how to make Harry Potter's magic wand. I hope you're happy with this video because I'm so happy to create these things. Be sure to like this video or watch my other project maybe. And thank you for watching.